Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to apply for unemployment benefits in Florida. This can be really helpful if you recently lost your job and need support while you look for work. So first go to the official floridajobs.org website, and once you're there, choose the claimants option, then click sign up to create your account. So follow the steps to enter your email, make a password, and set up multiple factor authentication, your identity through id.me before you can move forward. And once your account is ready, log in and start a new claim. Read the claim notice, then accept to continue. Next, enter your social security number and then your PIN. If you forgot your PIN, just click Forgot PIN and follow the steps. Now, fill out the application carefully. Add your previous employer's name and address and the dates that you worked there. Take your time here and make sure everything is correct because accuracy matters. If you are under 18, you'll need to call Reemployment Assistance Customer Service Center to file your claim by phone. For payments, you can choose direct deposits or a Florida Way to Go debit card. After you file, it usually takes about 2 to 3 weeks to get your first payment. And finally, don't forget to file your weekly claims. This confirms that you're still unemployed, able to work, and actively looking for a job. And that's it. That's how you apply for unemployment benefits in Florida. Thank you so much for watching. If this helped you out, please hit the like button. And for more videos like this, make sure to subscribe.